Hi, my name's Alicia. In this video, I'll show you the indexing of two further projects which have different combinations of numbers of records and images. In this example, there's just one image in the batch, but with 16 records covering 2 pages of the original parish register. Each record has to be entered separately, and I'll show you how that's done. Confirm that the image should be indexed. In this batch, you have to specify which type of records are present. In this case, the choice given is burial, christening, or marriage. At the top of the page of the register, it says burial. Therefore, you select that option from the drop-down list, or press B when on the Entry Type field. Resize and position the image for ease of deciphering it. Complete the fields on the Data Entry panel according to the information you can see on the first burial record on the image. There is more information on this image to index. Therefore, you answer the question yes to create another entry. Again, choose the record type, press B to select burial, and index the information. This procedure continues until all 16 burial records on the image have been indexed. Let's fast forward to the final entry. Since there is no more information to index now, you answer the question No, Submit Batch to start the quality control procedure. However, to illustrate a point, let's answer Yes and create an unneeded entry. It becomes Entry 17. With no information to enter on it, leave it empty and click Submit Batch. Then, as the program performs the quality check, it detects the 5 empty required fields on Entry 17. The correct course of action is to remove the redundant entry by clicking the Delete icon on the toolbar. Note the warning that a delete operation cannot be undone. However, we do want to delete the current entry, which is Entry 17. After that, the program says that there are no issues found and the batch can be submitted. You can choose to work on another batch, return to your web indexing homepage, or go to the Find Batches screen. The second example is more complicated in terms of records and images. There are 8 baptism records on each image and 2 images in the batch. Check the images and confirm that they should be indexed. Set the entry type, this time as baptism, and complete the fields according to the information on the first baptism record. Note, on the first entry, there is no father named, so just tab through the father's given names and surname fields. Since there is more information on the image in the form of additional baptisms, you need to answer yes to create another entry. You can press the Enter key when the button is in focus. For the entry type, you can press the first letter, in this case B. Complete the fields according to the information you can see on the second baptism. Again, there's more information to be indexed. Therefore, answer Yes to create a further entry. Let's fast forward now to the final entry for this first image. The answer to the question this time is no, next image, because there is no more information to be entered from the first image. The second image is loaded, and you can reposition it to display the first baptism record on it. Continue as before, making an entry for each baptism record on the image. Let's fast forward again to the final entry for this image. Since there is no more information to be entered, and it is the final image, the answer is no, submit batch. But before that, I just want to show you how to navigate between your entries and images. When you have made a number of entries from an image, you can move between them using the arrows on the entry navigation panel or by manually putting in the entry number. When you have a number of images in a batch, as seen here, you can navigate between them using the arrows at the left and right of the image gallery, or by clicking the thumbnail of the required image in the gallery. If you have minimized the image gallery, then left and right arrows appear in the image panel for navigation purposes. When you are satisfied that all baptism records and images have been indexed to the best of your ability, navigate to your final entry for the final image and answer the question, no, submit batch. The quality check proceeds. Then, in the quality check dialog box, you confirm that you wish to submit your work. In the next video, I'll describe some additional features on the indexing working screen. I recommend that you take the time to go through all these videos so that you really understand the indexing process and can enjoy participating in this fulfilling work. The effort you make will help many researchers find their deceased families and build the world's family tree.